Good morning guys, mayong bungkag. Ngayon ko lang naalala, kailangan mo muna ito i-off. Sige. Kasi wala na siyang apoy dun sa kabila. Masyadong madami tubig ang bawasan mo. Hindi kailangan din yan kadami kapag apat lang yung itlog, sayang sa gas. Nalagyan natin ng mantika. Okay na yan. Okay. Luluto kasi kami ng paksiw. Paksiw kasi pwedeng pang 5 araw. Oh, mamaya nakain ka muna breakfast. This one pa sa movie to, sa movie. Okay? Mamaya pa yun sa movie. Popcorn para yun sa movie.
No!
Huh, galit na siya. Hindi, ganit para yun sa movie. Yan yun siya guys, pag na-upset. Pag nagalit at nalungkot. Para yun sa movie.
No!
Ay, Mayumi. Mayumi. Look at me. Look at me. Look at mama. Look at mama. Popcorn is for movie, hindi for breakfast.
No!
Ay. Chico, talk to your sister.
No popcorn! No popcorn!
Hindi. Talk properly.
No popcorn! No.
Popcorn is for?
Movie.
Mag-watch ka movie today? Sa SM?
Yes.
You want to go there?
Today na tayo mag-watch movie. Yeah.
Sama ka?
Yeah. Popcorn. Sama to.
Sama ka? Sama si Maymay?
No.
Yeah.
No! Sama si Maymay.
Sama si Bunny?
Oh.
Mag-watch tayo lahat movie?
No.
Sige, mag-wear jacket kayo. Malamig sa movie, okay? Mag-watch si Maymay? Mario Galaxy? Kaya, Maymay. Ay, or horror movie ang tingnan namin. Magsigaw kami doon, si Bunny, si Maymay, ako. Oh! Good morning, guys. Kabi, good morning, love. Wake up na. Ay, kain tayo. Wala akong boses today. So, hindi muna ako mag-live selling. Hanggang may hinog na ako na avocado.
No, mama.
Oh, sino yan? Sino yan? Sino yan? Oh, no. Oh. Oh, no, spider. Spider girl.
Ako. Asta!
Ah. Ano namang dinikit ninyo sa cabinet natin? Ay, share kay sister mo. Ah, wala na naman akong boses. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Siguro ay sumigaw ako habang umiinom ng malamig. But we're gonna have breakfast. At naalala ko, meron pala akong hindi na i-share sa inyo. Hindi ko ay nakwentuhan tungkol sa sakit ko na hyperthyroidism. And today, ngayon tayo magchismisan. But for today's episode, I'm wearing a very pretty dress. Ayan. Yes, pretty na yan for me. But I really like this one, guys. This is from sa negosyo ng kapatid ko na si Madam Bibi. Ito ay from Mine and Yours, Ukay-Ukay. Pambahay ko siya and it's very flowy, malamig sa balat. And I can just do anything while wearing eto lang na damit. Lalo na ngayon summer, medyo mainit-init. So sabi ko mag-workout ako saglit na simple basic exercises lang. Pero hindi ko nagawa kasi I started checking sa cabinet. Nag-let go ng mga gamit. Kasi pag may bagong papasok, dapat may aalis. Kaya pag umalis si Mr. Hassan, may papasok na bago. Hoy! Chismis! Chismis, guys. Okay. Shoutout sa tsinelas natin. Nabili ko kahapon. Ay! Nawala lang. Chinika ko lang sa inyo. But yun yung dress, guys. Ang ganda. Yan. Pwede siya pang beach, pwede pang garden, pwede pang bahay, pwede pang palengke, pwede pang laba. Pag naglalaba ka, gusto mo maging maayos ka. Kain na tayo, everyone. Pakisilip daw sa part ng live.
Mickey Mouse. Is that Minnie Mouse? Minnie Mouse? What's a Minnie Mouse, Mom? It's supposed to be Mickey Mouse.
So, ulam namin today. Bakit ang dilim? Pabuksan ako ng mga pinto, mga bintana. Sabaw na karne ng baka. And ito po yung kakainin ko ngayon. Mga anak ko, sabaw lang gusto. Kain ka muna, Calvi. Bunny. Bunny, kain na. Tabihan mo na si Mayumi dito, please. Oh no, copying.
Mama, get that.
Ay, May, halika nga. May, tingnan mo nangyari.
Mama, get that.
Ano ketchup?
Get that.
Ay, buksan. Buksan.
Mama.
Yun dun din.
No, yeah.
Hmm? Ang sarap ng ulam eh.
Penguin.
Eating, mag-go tayo SM. Oh no, let me see who's not eating.
I mean, you know, Martha can fly. No.
Kain tayo, guys. Sabihan ko kayo kung bakit ganito yung pagkain ko. Mamaya, sika ko.
Mom, can I help you put the milk? Oh, you like cereal? Then I was first to say, Mom.
Anong sabihin mo, Calvi? Calvi, anong sabihin mo?
Ano? If I can eat my food, I won't eat some cereal. I just watch my TV and talk.
What are you going to wear?
What's the airport? I'm in the boat. We're going to the airport. What happened if I sleep?
Sleep saan?
In the Super Mario movie Galaxy, then I'll forget. Then I will not see.
Then don't sleep. Who goes to the movies and sleep? That's funny.
No one can ever sleep.
Ikaw, Chico. Come na, May. Kain na.
But it's really
Sabay-sabay na magkain. Sige na.
But it's really funny and Bluey. The movie's really fast.
Yan yung mukha ni Chico na paso ng mangga.
Mommy, not for Bluey can go to the Bluey movie that from that TV. Mama,
Sorry.
water.
Water din. Buti pa si Chico nagkain ng maayos, oh. Mag-camping na tayo sa...
A few moments.
Mimi, if we do this, mag-transform ka. Shut up. Woohoo!
Anong sabi ni May? Why did Mayumi say, let's go? Oh. May kanin. May kanin pang mukha mo, oh. Kita nyo guys, sa mga anak ko, walang problema. Basta walang saltik ang ulo nila, walang problema. Pag may saltik sila, tapos may saltik din ako, parang sasabog yung bahay. But anyway, ako po yung nag-organize. As you can see, medyo dumarami na yung damit natin. So I have to let go of some clothes. Dumarami yung t-shirts ko. I'm a t-shirt person. Napipilitan ako magdamit ng maayos kasi alam niyo na, peer pressure. Peer pressure at pressure ng mga kapatid ko. I have my sleepwear box. Sa sleepwear ko, masyado na ding madami. So, I have to think of letting go. Then, tinatry ko siyang i-organize. Talagang magulo guys. Sobrang gulo kasi I don't really give time to organize itong aking cabinet. Na-distract ako kasi kailangan kong i-park yung sasakyan ng maayos. Dahil ang init sa labas. Ayun o. I-park ko muna siguro ng maayos guys. Saglit. You're going to break the water bottle. Huh? Hmm. Bobby, anong gawa mo?
Drawing.
Drawing ka?
Yes.
Saan ka punta? Tagalog tayo. Drawing ka?
Opo.
Saan ka punta ngayong araw?
Sa movies.
Sino kasama mo?
Si Mami.
Sino pa?
Si Bunny.
Sino pa?
Si Maymay.
Sino pa?
Si Morning, Ashley, Kahil, Grace, Dylan, Mami Wiwi,
Si Chico pala, tsaka si Mayumi.
si Chico, Mayumi,
Anong movie ang tingnan ninyo?
Super Mario Galaxy.
Ang galing naman ni Calvi. Nakaligo ka na.
Wala pa.
Mabaho ka.
Hindi.
Amuyin mo daw. Maligo muna ha. Tsaka mag-toothbrush.
Okay.
Mm.
Tapos natin to.
Okay, sige. Tapusin mo. Okay. Uy. Wala pa rin guys. Hindi pa rin tayo tapos. Si Chico nagbitbit ng paper bag na may lamang tubig. Dinala sa labas ng banyo. Kasi maghakot daw siya ng tubig gamit niya paper bag. Ay, nako. Mga anak ko talaga na to. Anyway, before ko makalimutan, I wanted to talk to you guys about etong sakit ko, no? Kasi nakwento ko na sa inyo to just to share with you guys information regarding sa autoimmune disease na hyperthyroidism. And regardless kung anong sinasabi ng ibang tao, hyperthyroidism it's like other serious illness, no? Kasi nga, connected. Paano siya naging delikado? It has a lot of it has a really big connection with your body organs na very important. The biggest body organs and most important body organs natin. I meant like the heart, the brain, and the bones. Okay? That's why talagang napaka-crucial. Now, last check-up ko, which was last month, I saw my doctor and I told you guys na sabi ni Doc Lucy sa akin, again, big shout out, my doctor is Dr. Lucy Yap. She is an endocrinologist. She specializes with thyroid and other illness, I think. Pero pagka-thyroid kasi, ano talaga no? Lucy Yap talaga. Ayun. She spoke to me and she told me na pagkakita niya ng record ko, she was very shocked kasi nakita niya ang laki ng nawala sa kilo ko. From 60 kilograms to 55 kilograms when I saw her last month. And then she was worried na tinanong niya talaga ako, oh, ang laki ng binagsak. Actually, hindi niya pa nakita agad, no? Sabi niya, ha, tumaba ka. Sabi ko, Doc, no. The last time we saw each other, I was 60. Now I'm 55. Sabi niya, ha? Talaga ba? So, bumalik siya dun sa sa record niya. And she saw that I was telling the truth. Medyo napapagod ako maghawak ng aking wait lang. Kunin lang natin yung aking tripod. Kakapagod maghawak eh. So, pupunta. May, pakuha nga ako ng tripod ko gang nasa shop. Oh, shower ka. So, nag-usap kami ni Doc Lucy and sabi niya, oh nga no, pumayat ka talaga ng bongga. Wait, talk to me about this. What's going on? Why did you lose 5 kilograms? That is a lot. Ang laki nun. Pero actually sa 3 months na hindi kami nagkita ni Doc. Kasi every 3 months yung check-up. Sabi ni Doc sa akin, that's a really good progress. Sabi niya, are you eating a lot and yet you lost 5 kg? Alam niyo kung bakit tinanong niya ni Doc? Kasi that is how hyperthyroidism affects your body. You have, your thyroid is overproducing hormone and it actually makes your body functions move or work in speed or fast. Example, kahit marami yung kain ko, pero hindi ako tumataba or pumapayat ako, that is a big red flag. Hilahin mo yan. Okay, hila. Okay, enough na.
Mom,
Just paki-open.
what Chico
Pindot.
stole? He stole my clothes that I'm gonna wear.
I will talk to him.
Mom, what's that?
What clothes pa? Okay
It
lang.
was color blue Garfield.
Kay Calvito, kay Chico Red, asang butasan.
Sige. We're going to solve it. Just wait lang, ha?
So our mom said he's gonna pull it away from you.
I did not say that.
Bilay!
Sabi ko, I'm gonna solve it. I did not say I'm gonna pull it.
Mom, if you know it's mine, then can you say give it back?
Yes, because we don't use other people's clothes.
Look off. Mom, it's mine, Mom. It's mine.
Hindi ba yan sa'yo?
But last time it's so big. Oh no.
You have yours one, the red Garfield man sa'yo. Yan sa kanya blue. We're going to look for the red Garfield. Sige na.
Ilawan pa.
You can wear this my first shower.
Okay, sige. Shower na si Kuya.
Shower, I'll let.
Sus! Si Chico pa talaga ang may karapatan mag... Okay. So ngayon, hindi na ako gagamit ng microphone you guys. But, I was telling you na nashock si Doc kasi nga, ang laki ng binaba ng timbang ko. Sabi niya, did you eat well and yet you're losing weight? Kinabahan siya kasi akala ni Doc, timbang ko, yet I was eating a lot. It means, it's a big red flag. Kasi ibig sabihin no, nagiging toxic ulit or nag-overproduce ulit ng gland. Okay, ng hormones, itong aking thyroid gland. So, sinabi ko kay Doc, actually, it's not. I did it intentionally. Ibig sabihin, talaga pong I put myself in a very strict diet for the last 3 months. Okay, sabi ko kay Doc, oh, how did you do that? Sabi niya sa akin. Sabi ko, Doc, kasi I removed rice sa diet ko. Other than the rice, I stopped eating junk. I think parang mga 90%. Meron pa rin akong cheat day. And if I do cheat day, guys, yung tikim lang, yung talagang pasatisfy lang sa lasa, hindi yung inuubos. I also changed my intake sa liquid. I did vitamin C shot. I removed soda, hindi man completely, I think up to 90 to 95%. I let go sa mga canned goods, okay? Pag may cravings ako, I try to fight them by making myself full with other things. Sometimes coconut water, sometimes sa mga crops, mga kamote, saging, ganun. I focused more on eating protein, fish, boiled egg, chicken, beans, tofu, ganun. And I believe what really helped me a lot in losing weight, kasi hindi ako nag-exercise pa, I just recently started exercising, and what I did is yung exercise na very, lang siya, mild. I'm not allowed to do extreme exercises kasi hyperthyroidism, meaning you have an irregular heartbeat at hindi pantay yung pagbeat ng puso mo. Kaya hindi posibleng magkaroon ka ng posibleng magpalpitate ka with some food, with some activities, ganon. So, I had a go signal na mag-exercise. I'm doing stretching, I'm doing yoga mat exercises, I'm doing band, yung mga hinihila sa kamay, just to make sure I try to work out a little bit, no? And also, sa pagkain ko, yun yung ginawa ko. And it really worked for me. I think I tried to do fasting, like eat only when I'm hungry kind of fasting. Until sa hindi ko na napansin, I was really losing weight. I lost the bloating. Grabe ako mag-bloat. To the point na yung chan ko, guys, para siyang 7 months, 8 months, 9 months pregnant. Ganun siya kagrabe. And the bloating for me, again, this is for me, disclaimer, hindi ako nutritionist, hindi ako doktor, hindi ako nurse. I'm not affiliated to any medical institution or whatever, dietitian, whatnot. I'm just telling you my experience sa katawan ko. Bloating really left me when I removed rice
Mommy,
up to 95% sa diet ko. You look so pretty.
Mommy,
I'm vlogging.
why?
Why? Mama's working. How about you? Where are you going?
Hi.
Hi guys. Wait. Say hi.
Hi.
You look
Hello,
pretty.
my dog.
You look pretty. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you. I like your clothes. What's that? Ano yan?
Butter.
Flower. Anong color? Red. Red flower.
What's this?
Oh, don't show them. Oh no.
What's this?
It's feet.
Oh.
Be, head, shoulder. Show mommy. Head, shoulder. Kili, kili. Be, head first. Head. Head.
Head, toes.
Knees and toes. Head and shoulder. Knees and toes.
Head, head, shoulders, head, head.
And eyes. And ears.
Up,
Mouth. And nose.
eyes,
Head.
hand, head,
Shoulders.
shoulder,
Knees. And toes. Good job. Good job, good job. Good job.
shoulder.
Shoulder. Kili-kili. Saan kili-kili mo?
This.
Open so they see. Kili-kili.
Gilly.
Okay. Okay, go watch Miss Rachel.
Okay, Mom.
See you.
See you, Mom.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you. I love you. Okay. Okay. So ngayon, sabi ni Doc sa akin ay, okay, this is really good. It's a good progress kasi very concerned si Doc Lucy sa weight ko. To the point na she did not lie and she actually told me face to face, I'm sorry, princess ha, but you are obese. Okay? Maraming tao ma-offend sa word na yan. For me, I was not offended. I was actually guilty knowing that I was not really mindful of what I eat and put inside my body. Why am I trying to change? I'm not trying to change for myself. Maybe for myself, yes. But most importantly, I want to feel light. Lalo na ngayon na gusto ko, mas marami na kaming gala ng mga bata, kahit local lang, malalapit na lugar. And I don't want to feel tired. Okay? Of course, I don't want to die. Sino ba naman ang gustong mamatay, guys? No? Ayaw natin mamatay. Life is beautiful, right? It's good to be in love. It's good to love and receive love in return. It's good to see new places, meet new people, eat new food, try new things. It's good to laugh. It's good to smell flowers, appreciate the mountain. It's good to wake up when it's peaceful. The noise is also good sometimes. So, I wanted to change. Okay? So, ngayon, after nun, tinignan ni Doc yung aking resulta ng aking lab test. So, lab test, lagi kong ginagawa yan kapag may follow-up check-up ako kasi sa lab test na yan ng aking dugo, it shows how my thyroid is performing. Okay? And this time, my doctor smiled. Alam niyo kung bakit? She was very happy to see, and this is the first time I'm going to tell you this, that finally, after 2 years of being diagnosed with hyperthyroidism, for the first time ever, I am in remission. I am very happy. It was the happiest moment of my last month. I shared everything sa mga kapatid ko immediately. I was confirmed in remission sa hyperthyroidism, but merong but. First time yan nangyari sa 2 years. Remission, ibig sabihin, I am entering the normal stage ng aking result ng aking thyroid gland. Ibig sabihin, yung aking nire-release na hormone, medyo okay, balance siya. Nasa tamang sukat, nasa tamang bilang. Alright? Sobrang saya ko nang marinig ko na sinabi sa akin yun ni Doc. Dahil talagang napakalaking milestone nun for me. I did something to make it okay. Of course, I'm taking my medicine. I try not to skip them, but sometimes pag sobrang pagod, nakakatulog ako and I forget to take my medicine. Right now, I have 2 medicine, Tapdin and Atenolol. Tapdin is for my thyroid and Atenolol is for my heart. I take the one for the heart kapag nagpapalpitate. I take the Tapdin every night. Kalahati ng 5 mg. But, sabi ng doktor sa akin, merong but. Sabi niya, Princess, this is good news. Pero etong mangyayari ngayon. For the next check-up mo, so ngayon, nagkita kami ni Doc last month. After 3 months, magkikita kami. If normal ulit yung result, good, thumbs up. After 3 months namin, which is December, pag nagkita ulit kami ni Doc, normal ulit, another thumbs up. Doon pa lang, ititigil ni Doc yung aking gamot. Okay, nagets niyo yun, guys. Ititigil ni Doc yung gamot ko, hindi immediately. Magtatanong kayo, Madam, bakit hindi immediately titigil? Kasi baka pag tinigil immediately ni Doc, baka biglang mag-high yung aking year. Sabi ko, Doc, okay, that's fine. Please tell me what to do. I'm going to listen. I will, follow your instructions and everything. So sabi ni Doc, pag nag-normal in 3 months, I think I met Dr. February, katapusan. March, April, May, then May, June, July, August, then August, September, October, parang ganun no? But at the end of this year, inshallah, 2026, if all my results are normal, doctor will remove my medicine. And I'm very happy kasi I don't like taking medicine, guys. Hindi ako sanay uminom ng gamot dahil kami ay lumaki na walang gamot-gamot. Okay, hindi sa maarte, hindi sa ayaw ko. I can take medicine, walang problema, kahit anong klaseng gamot, pero hindi ko lang siya lifestyle. So, ang hirap, at hindi ko siya gusto na maging part ng buhay ko, okay? So, ngayon sabi ni Doc, sabi ko, Doc, anong mangyayari? If I'm going to remove the medicine by the end of this year, if all your results will be normal and you will stay in remission the whole year of 2026, I will observe anong mangyayari. If your results is still going to stay normal, very, very good. Pero, dito ako kinakabahan and I am praying na hindi siya mangyari kasi nga it's not something I want to happen. Okay? Pag tinanggal ni Doc yung gamot and biglang nag-spike up or bigla na namang naging abnormal yung performance ng aking thyroid and maging positive ulit ako for hyperthyroidism, the doctor will do another type of treatment para sa akin. And this is going to be the radioactive RAI, okay? Gagamitan ako ng ganong klaseng treatment, which is hindi ko siya gusto kasi kailangan kong ma-admit sa hospital during the treatment. I need to be isolated during the treatment. That's 3 days. And I need to be isolated more after that. Hindi na sa hospital, but I cannot live with my children. Ganon katapang yung gamot. Na kahit nasa katawan ko na siya, it can actually affect people around me, especially kids. So, I need to stay out of my kids, out of the house. If I can stay away from my children and other people for at least 2 weeks, 3 weeks, but for me, I would think maybe 1 whole month of not being with them just to make sure na hindi sila maapektuhan of whatever medicine I have in my body, so be it. Okay? Other than, of course, the expense is already there, no? But treatment is treatment. I'm not sure if the insurance is going to cover it. I hope so, diba? But the fact that I'm not going to be with my kids, na kailangan kong mag-isolate is a very sad thing. And if hyperthyroidism will come back, that is another sad thing, diba? We try to achieve to be okay and to be healthy as much as possible, right? So yes, guys, yun yung balita sa aking hyperthyroidism. I'm very happy with that news. Masaya ako until now, masaya ako. And I don't want to neglect my medicine kahit na ganun, no? This week parang na-miss ko yung medicine ko twice and that's not good. But I wanted to share that with you kasi nga good news siya. Sa lahat ng mga may hyperthyroidism katulad ko, please make sure that you talk to your doctor and follow what they say. Also try to have a healthy lifestyle kasi it can help. It can really help. Of course, ikaw naman yun, di ba? Kung gusto mo naman na maging better yung buhay mo, maging better yung katawan mo, do something about it because no one will. Ikaw lang talaga. Hindi naman kapatid mo, hindi pamilya mo, hindi naman doktor aayos talaga sa'yo. Ikaw pa din. In the end, ikaw pa din. And finally, I was able to share that with you guys. Let me know what you think. Sabihan nyo ako na experience nyo if you have hyperthyroidism. I know you guys know some stories kung saan talagang umabot sa point na may mga buhay na nawala dahil sa hyperthyroidism na sakit. I'm sorry for that and I'm sorry for your losses. I hope and pray na yung lahat na may mga sakit ay maging better this year. Ayan. I know it's not easy to battle a disease, lalo na pag autoimmune, no? Ganon. Talagang mahirap siya. And I think ngayon, no, yung sa lahat ng pinagdaanan ko sa buhay ko, I would say that health is a luxury. It's a luxury. If you have it, keep it. Luxury, health is something that you cannot just buy. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin, okay pa naman ako ngayon, okay pa naman ako bukas, okay pa naman ako next week. Kasi you will never know, hindi mo alam. Kaya nga minsan natatakot ako magpa-general check-up no? Medyo nakakatakot siya. But again guys, maraming salamat. I'm not gonna make this longer. As you can see, nagsastruggle yung boses ko. I'm going to rest after this. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nagsuporta sa last upload natin tungkol sa pagbubukas ng negosyo ng aking kapatid and their advices in marriage. Sana may natutunan kayo doon. If you find my content helpful, relatable, entertaining, inspiring, motivating, and educational, i-chismis nyo naman ako, i-marites nyo naman itong ating YouTube channel sa mga kaibigan at pamilya ninyo. Sa lahat ng mga tatay, tsuhin, kuya, brother, lahat ng mga lalaki na nanonood ng vlog ko, sana may natutunan kayo. Alam ko, inaaway ko minsan yung mga lalaki dahil may mga lalaki na very, deadbeat. Pero wag kayong mag-alala, may mga lalaki naman na talagang napaka-okay. Kaya don't lose hope. Love. Ayun, love. Don't lose hope. That's my last message. Again, maraming salamat sa inyo. Much love, Princess Higa. I'll see you on the next one.